Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Viber messages from your Android devices. There are instances when we are all in the same situation and want to erase a group or individual communication on Viber. To do so, watch the video all the way through and follow the instructions to make sure that you don't miss any of our updates. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's get started. Tab Open Viber application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your Viber account as well. Now from the chat screen, select the message that you'd like to get rid of. For example, let me tap on this message over here. Now from the conversation page, tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner, and in the pop-up that appears tap on Chat Info. Now from this expanded menu that pops up on the screen, scroll all the way down until you find a button that says Clear Chat Content. It will ask you if you're sure you'd like to clear your chat history. Tap on Clear in the pop-up. Now go back to the conversation page and you'll be able to see you have cleared out all of the chat history or messages from the particular contact. If you want to get rid of the whole chat thread, you can simply press hold to the contact and tap on Delete Chat as well. That way you'll be able to delete a Viber message that you no longer wanted to appear on your chat screen in a zip. You can also delete group conversations just like that. Press hold to the group conversation and tap on Delete Chat in the pop-up. If you wish to delete a group, it will give you several menus while deleting the chat. You can either mute the group or you can quickly leave and delete the whole conversation, and you will stop receiving related messages. That is how you can easily delete Viber messages in a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, as soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.